Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderland Explorers. Today is a very special day for us. We are back at the reopening of Port Orleans French Quarter.
Oh yeah, the music is already filling my ears, and the scent of the beignets are filling my nostrils. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, so we're here. We're going to check out the Sassagoula food court area, get some New Orleans food, try some beignets. It's just going to be a lot of fun. So come along with us as we explore. Just like Port Orleans Riverside, they did roll out the red carpet because this is a very festive reopening. And what an exciting time it is. I mean, it's just so nice to see all the hotels start to reopen, go back to somewhat of normalcy. And again, man, I cannot wait to have some beignets, because that's the reason why you come here. I mean, come on, you gotta have some beignets. It's not quite like the real New Orleans thing, but hey, you know, you get what you can get. Before we head in and start eating, which, man, that gumbo and the jambalaya is calling my name here. But I think we're gonna head out towards the pool because we have a little lull in the weather today. We're getting lots of storms, so we're gonna try to catch a little glimpse before the rain moves back in.
Of the coolest part, the pool.
Yeah.
Where you have scales and then you have King Neptune riding him. Ooh, it's exciting. Let's go see if we can get a peek. Oh, I forgot about the jazzy gators too.
Ooh.
Ooh. Look at this face. Oh, he is giving it.
Work it, work that bass drum, work it.
Attitude. Bill, if I could.
Yeah. Can you?
What a fun way though to like enter the pool. It just like puts you in a good mood, and you have to like dodge in and out of those gators too.
Yeah. So
you have to interact. Oh, it's so fun. I love it. Ooh. Here's the tail.
Look at what you're presenting.
Ooh, you have this like fun kid area, the fun slide.
I love these splash pads. I mean, like, would this not be so much fun? Even if, like, I mean, I could do this now. Like, I don't need to be a kid. Like, I would go, this just seems awesome. So we're here at Mardi Gras, which is the poolside bar for Port Orleans French Quarter. We decided to go with the Hurricane. So you can get this with like a special souvenir glass, but I think we were just more interested in getting a Hurricane. So this is one of the specialty cocktails. It was highly recommended. Let's try it out.
I love what they did to the umbrella too, like made it seem like it was actually in a hurricane.
Cool. Yeah, that's a cool little touch. That's pretty neat. So it definitely smells very boozy. It definitely tastes very boozy. They just reopened today, so I think they're making these extra special, if you know what I mean. This is a great drink. Highly recommended. 5 out of 5. Go to Mardi Gras.
So as you know, this is Port Orleans, the French Quarters, and I know, you can already guess it. It's themed after, of course, the French Quarters in New Orleans. So the metal railing is really kind of cool because there's different types. I mean, each floor is kind of different as well. As you move throughout the buildings, it changes. It's really pretty. And if you've ever been to New Orleans, that is definitely a key point in their architecture. So of course, they're gonna put that here at the resort. And as you go through the resort, you get to see all the different types, which I enjoy. Oh, guys, I wish we could send the smells through your television.
Smell-o-vision is real, folks. It is an amazing smelling couple of dishes here between the jambalaya and the gumbo. Oh man! Now we had a jambalaya over at Riverside, but we did not get to try the gumbo. But I mean, like, we're here, we're at French Quarter. We had to stick with some Nola food, right? Mm-hmm. Nola. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, let's try it out.
And we do love both of these dishes. Like, we love some gumbo. We love some jambalaya.
I love making gumbo. Making gumbo is a lot of fun.
You can, like, smell the flavor. You know it's a good dish.
All right.
So you're going with the gumbo first.
Oh my goodness. Well, that is so good. That puts a smile on my face. It's delicious. I think any gumbo lover should absolutely like this gumbo. I think this is fantastic. It's got some spice. It's got some good Cajun kick to it. I'd give this for Disney. I'd give this a 5 out of 5. This is great. I love this.
We have some sausage, some chicken. Looks like really fluffy, delicious rice.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, you know, and there's like cut up peppers and celery and all that delicious that goes into it.
Holy Trinity.
The whole shebang. Oh, that is definitely delicious. That is great. I agree with you, Kyle. I think you said it well. A 5 out of 5.
It is like packed with flavor.
Yeah, I mean, like from the moment, like you can smell it first of all, and then like once it hits your tongue, explosions happen. It's delicious. Here we go again.
So trying the jambalaya.
Yeah. These are two solid dishes here. Ugh, man, if I had to like pick one though, like what would I get? Would I get gumbo? Or would I get the jambalaya? Oh. They're both solid. Completely different. I think I would go for the gumbo.
That gumbo so far has been really, really good. So I'm curious too. Let me see here. So I'll get a little of the chicken. Okay. So I completely agree with you, Shanae. I think that the gumbo is like 10x better than the jambalaya. Jambalaya is good, but the flavor that the gumbo packs is just like really intense and very good. Especially as like the weather's getting like a little cooler. Oh man, it's perfect. I think this gumbo's fantastic. Yeah, and it's less money. The jambalaya costs more than the gumbo. So I think like between the two, yeah, I would definitely get the gumbo over the jambalaya the next time I come back here.
Also, if you do have the option of like 2 people, I mean, this is a lot of rice. So you could like split between each other. That's another great option that we like to do, as we've mentioned, you know, prior. But if you have the option to try both, definitely give them a try. Choice. We did the 3. You can also order 6 of these Mickey beignets. It comes with your choice of a side for $6.99.
Yep.
You can choose chocolate, caramel, or caramel, however you like to say it, or strawberry.
Yep.
Dipping sauce. So of course we went with chocolate ganache. Also in the distance, we're gonna try one of their specialty ones, which is a cinnamon.
Brown sugar.
Oh, and brown sugar. Okay.
I think I'm going to try the specialty beignet first because it smells so good.
And they're like made fresh, so they're warm.
It wasn't too long. I think we waited like 15 minutes or so. But like, yeah, this is like made to order, which is fantastic. Really good. Good crunch. Doughy, chewy inside, as it should be. Love the cinnamon sugar on there. This is easily 5 out of 5. Let's just be serious. Just come try this. You'll love it.
This reminds you of fall, right? We're going for the ear. They're light, they're fluffy, they're flaky. They're really good. We miss these. We come and get these like occasionally when we come on vacation. And we thought during COVID we would try to make these on our own. They are not the same. These are so good. Oh no. Don't sneeze or breathe wrong.
It's a very messy proposition.
Oh,
but deliciously rewarding.
Deliciously rewarding. Oh, they're still so warm. Get a little powdery goodness.
Look at that.
They're so like doughy and flaky. Oh yeah. I don't think you need any dipping sauce. They're very good. They're not overly sweet either. Delicious. This makes it look like a donut, don't it? And the if you get the chocolate ganache sauce, it's also a little warm as well. So it's almost like hot fudge. But this is like definitely chocolatey. I like it better without, but I can see why people like it with.
All right, I'm stealing some of your beignet. Wow, this is really warm. It's so hot on the inside. This is hotter than the cinnamon brown sugar one. Oh man. For real? So good. I like this classic version better than I like the cinnamon sugar one, personally. They're both good, don't get me wrong, but man, that texture and just the simplicity with the powdered sugar, there's really nothing like this. This is fantastic. 5 out of 5 all day. Like you said, I don't even see where you would need the sauce, but let's, for posterity, we shall try the sauce here. Oh my goodness. You don't come here for the calories. Just saying. Oh my goodness. Just fantastic. I love it too. Yeah, you don't need the sauce, but the sauce is really good. It's almost like, it can almost be like a donut frosting, like just a hot version of a donut frosting. So if you like chocolate, like frosted donuts or something like that, you'd probably like that sauce. But yeah, hands down, you have to come here and try these beignets. They're fantastic. Yeah, 5 out of 5 all day. I mean, look at that. Look at the dough. That is like the most deliciously delectable looking treat. I mean, look at that. It's like just deliciousness. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just amazing. Like, it's just, look at it.
I think a taste of like a beignet is kind of similar to like it's not really a donut, it's not really like a funnel cake, but it's like if you kind of combine the two almost.
It's somewhere lost in between.
It's somewhere lost in between. Like, that's the only way I can describe it if you've never had one before.
Yeah.
And then the powdered sugar is messy, but oh, it just adds another layer.
Wow, I'm so stuffed from all those beignets and the food. Whew. This is that stick to your ribs kind of food, you know?
Yeah, but it's definitely the day for it here in Florida. It's rainy, it's stormy. You just want that good, wholesome food, and they provide it for sure.
They absolutely do. It's been busy all day, lots of people coming in and out. So I'm really curious. That's not my tummy. Anyway, I'm very curious. People that have had beignets here in Disney World, and also if you've had beignets in Disneyland, in the comments, let us know who makes the better beignet, Disneyland or Walt Disney World?
Oh.
Good question. I'd like to know. We never tried Disneyland. I'm very curious whose is better. So let me know.
So hilarious. I seen a woman as they were coming in wearing it. This is a really good shirt. It's like a thick quality.
Yeah.
And then on the back, it's like Port Orleans, French Quarters.
That's a really creative resort wear shirt. I like that.
Let's see.
$24.99.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad deal either. So I think like with your AP, it comes out like 21, 22, something like that.
I always like to check out like the resort exclusive merchandise. So like one of the things, I always like this coffee mug. Is that kind of cool?
Yeah.
Like the Jester Mickey, and then in the back it's got the fleur-de-lis. That's really nice. And then this is a cool pin. I like the pin. It's got the little music notes on there. Mardi Gras and jazz inspired. I like that. So like track suits are coming back. Did you know this? Is this like a thing? I guess it's a thing.
It's called Coven. Everybody's relaxed and excited about it.
But I mean, like, I haven't seen the tracksuits in a long time. Like, I'm talking like 2003, you know what I'm saying? When it was like a thing.
And you know you loved them then too.
Yeah.
You're like, where'd they go?
Yeah, that's true, that's true. But it looks like Spirit Jerseys making tracksuits now. So I haven't seen this one yet. This is like a Walt Disney World tracksuit. I like the color palette that they chose for this. It's a nice like little blocking. And then it does come with like matching shorts, or excuse me, matching pants. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it from Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter.
It's been jazzy. It's been delicious.
It's been very filling.
And it was a fun time. We hope you guys have enjoyed it. Spending this time with us. We enjoy spending this time with you. Absolutely. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. And until next time.
Bye.